everyone, for a point P on an ellipse, x squared divided by 25 plus y squared divided by 9 equals 1. We have foci F and F prime. The length of our point P to F is 4. When we take a point Q on the extension line of P, the ray PF prime, such that PQ equals PF, we're going to find the length of QF. All right, so let's just digest this a little bit or dissect it. Given our ellipse, our bigger number is 25, so that means your A is going to be the square root of 25, which is 5. Just take the square root of that, and your B is going to be 3. So I went ahead and plotted these. The 3 goes under is the Y, so it's on the vertical. And here's your 5 for your horizontal part. All right, now for our foci points, that's C squared equals A squared minus B squared. So that's going to equal 25 minus 9, which equals 16. So C is going to be plus or minus 4. So this point here is going to be negative 4 comma 0. And this point here, I'll put it here, is going to be 4 comma 0. Now this is where I put the point. So this is point P. Let's do this. I'll erase that a little bit. And this is going to be point Q. And this is the extension line. So basically it's saying that point FF prime, let's look at this. FF prime here is going to be 8. So F, the length of the distance between F prime and F is 2A. So it's just going to be 2 times 4, which is 8. It's just 2 times your C part. Maybe I should put C here. All right. Now that we have that, we know that the length of PF is 4 because they gave us that to us. This length here is 4. So if this is 4, that means this also equals 4. So these two lines equal. Also, we know that if you add PF to PF prime, by definition, that equals 2A. So basically what I'm saying is PF plus PF prime equals 2A. So that's going to be 2 times 5, which equals 10. Since we already know that this length is 4, that means that this total distance between these two is 10, then this has to be 6. All right, so that means that PF prime equals 6. So now we're going to let the angle PF prime F, so this angle right here, equal theta. So we're going to let P measure of angle PF prime F equal theta. So that's this one right here. And we're going to use the law of cosines and get some more information. So if we use the law of cosines, we're going to take cosine of our angle that we had equals 6 squared plus 8 squared minus 4 squared. And this was your 8. Remember, and this part, I'm just going to draw the triangle, was your 4. And this part here was your 6. And this is the angle we're looking for. All right. Then we have 2 times 6 times 8. This gives you 84 divided by 2 times 6 times 8. And that reduces to 7 divided by 8. Okay, so that's cosine of theta. Now, we also note that QF prime equals QP the length of QP plus the length of PF prime. So that's going to be 4 plus 6 equals 10. Therefore, the form of the triangle QF prime F is going to equal QF prime to QF squared, which equals 10 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 10 times 8 times cosine of theta. All right, so this is going to give me 164 for this piece minus 160. Now we already got cosine of theta is 7 divided by 8. So it's going to be 7 divided by 8, which equals 24. All right, so therefore the length of QF equals the square root of 24, which equals 2 square root of 6. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.